Welcome! Today we're introducing Check Against Schematic. This is both a new ribbon command and a part of the regular design check using both the design check command and when you request a manifold layout drawing. These design checks will also be run. I currently have a manifold loaded that's based off of a schematic, an XML exported from either NetScheme or Hydra. It currently passes all the design checks. I will now delete a cavity, replace a cavity with an incorrect one, mislabel a net, and make sure I'm using an incorrect port type. Then when running Check Against Schematic or Design Check Again, I can see these errors displayed with the correct schematic information next to them, so I can go back and easily fix them before exporting my manifold design.